Hello friends, myself Injamam Haq and welcome to my YouTube channel Injamam Study Hub, and today I will discuss about the importance and speciality of English language. So without any delay, let's start the topic. If I talk about the circulation of English language in India, there are approximately 5 lakhs English medium school in our country in India, and 17% of the students go to English medium school. And besides this, the English is a compulsory subject in all Assamese medium school and other regional medium schools. So what is the significance of this language? A poet by the name Walt Whitman said in a quotation about the English language that English is the accretion and growth of every dialect, race and range of time, and is the both free and compacted composition of all. And what the poet wanted to convey through this quotation about the English language, I will discuss in some points. Number 1, English is a medium of international exchange and the associate official language of India, including many other countries. Number 2, English is a language of job and business across the globe. In doing business in different countries, you need to communicate people globally. And in communication, English is a fast preferable language. And besides this, the knowledge of English also tested in every private and government job. Number 3, English is a language of science and technology. Computer system, computer application, internet, social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram are all in the domain of English language. Number 4, knowledge of English develops good academic and professional career. So the early the student will learn the English language, the early they will develop their academic and profession. So besides this, the student also will be able to secure more marks in academic and as well as earn the respect in the institute and society. Number 5, English is for higher education. In our country, India, almost all the higher education, whether to be a doctor, engineer, professor, lawyer, scientist, pharmacist, are to be done in the English language. Point number 6, English is the domain language of the society. And through this language, you will be able to study the culture and history of different countries, different religious books, international and national media, government source of information, and many other things. That all the things will be able to capture easily and efficiently through this language. Besides this, there are a lot more uses of English language in our society, in our country. Overall, in the galaxy of languages, English commands a great significance. Through the English language, you can study all over the world. That's the reason the poet Walt Whitman said, English is the accretion and growth of every dialect, race and range of time, and is the both free and compacted composition of all. So that's all about for today, and I hope that all are inspired for a trust towards English language. And on the next topic, I will discuss about how the English language has become the established language all over the world. And thank you for today and have a pleasant time.